Hello guys, now since in the last two videos we have did the first layer and the second layer, now we have to do the last and the final layer. In my opinion, it's the hardest layer out of all of them. So I'm gonna show you how to solve it. At this stage you might have you might get four incidents. Dot to the hook. By the way, today is the second day I'm filming. From the dot to the hook. So first step, you have to go side from the front, and then you go up. Then you go side like this, and then you pull this down. Now you push this back to the side, and then you go down. Now you have your hook. Bar, hook to bar. So in this step, first we have to put this hole over here at the left top corner. Now it's at the top corner, left top corner. Now we have to do the same move that we did to make from the dot to the hook, which is up, right side, up, side, down, side, down. Now we got the bar. Bar to cross. Now we have to do the same step we did to get from the dot to the hook to the bar, which is side, up, side, down, side, down. Now we got the cross. Now we have to match this to that. Now you have to at least find two, but if yours is all done, you can skip this step. So I found my two. One is over. If yours is like this, it doesn't match at all. Then you have to try to find at least two. For me here it matches now. No, yeah, no, yeah, no. Now it depends on the next step, on how you do. Here the way can go into two ways. The thing can be right opposite of each other or next to each other. We have to go from opposite to each other to next to each other to all of them matching. So if the both are opposite to each other, then you'll do on your side, on the right, you go up, side, down, side, up, side, side, down. Now they both must be next to each other. Now they both are next to each other. So you have to put them one at the back and the other one at the back and the other one at your left. Yeah, your left side. So you'll go on your right on your right side, and then on your right side you go up, side, down, side, up, side, side, down, side. That was the before. Now in this one you have to do an extra, and now all of these are matching. Now we have to do the corners. This is the first time we care about the corners. So here you guys might get in 2 steps. You might have all of them not in the correct spots. We don't care if it's in the correct direction, but it should be in the correct spot. Or you can have one in the correct spot but not direction. If you don't have any of the corners there in their correct spot, then you have to take any side and then you go side up, side up, side down, side down. Now you'll at least have one that is in the correct spot. If you have one in the correct spot, then you have to put it on the top right corner of the cube. Then you go you go side up, side up, side down, side down. Now you might have all of them in the correct spot. If not, then do it again. So it's the move is side up, side up, side down, side down. Now for me, all of them in the correct spot. Maybe it will go more. Now since we have got the corners in the correct places, we have to put them in the correct direction, which is the top. So we have the move we have to do is we have to go down, side, up, side. That is the move. We have to keep doing that move till the piece is in the correct direction. Down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up. Okay, now for me, and then you have to go side. Okay, now we have, but many people do the mistake of turning the cube fully. You cannot do that, or else you'll mess up the full cube. You have to turn only the top layer. So you go down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, and then side. Now I have to do it with the last piece. Down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up. And now you have to do, and now you have solved the Rubik's Cube. Bye bye. Remember to subscribe.